All right, morning of day 2. It is, how cold is it, Ryan?
Too damn cold. It's cold enough that I got a long sleeve shirt, a sweatshirt, a jacket, and I don't have more because I didn't bring more. It's 30 degrees down.
Yeah, so, yesterday was out on the old 660s. Today I switched over to the old Federals. Thanks, track. The Federals probably have less grip than the 660s anyways, so it's probably going to be a little bit more lively of a car, but
yeah, I added grip today and you took it away.
yeah,
I think you got jealous when I started sliding around and having a little fun yesterday.
yeah. I mean, I was sliding a little bit. I have a couple little moments. Hopefully they seem bigger in the car at the moment than they are on video. Video does not translate what it looks like.
Don't they always?
But I got a beautiful video of him putting his BMW quite sideways out of 14 yesterday.
Again, it felt so much bigger in the car than it looks on camera, but
but
there's a lot of jokes there.
so
Skipping over it.
that's what. Alright, so first one of the day. Cold one.
Probably coldest track session ever for me. I think 30, maybe a little over 30 degrees
Yeah.
at 8 o'clock.
Sun's not even really doing much. So I went out. The Federals actually had a lot more grip than I thought they would. So pretty happy with that.
Okay, cool.
So
I mean, I know you're mostly trying to just use them up.
yeah, they grip pretty well. I thought I was a superhero, and then I realized that I had traction control on for the first 2 laps. So
You what?
I had traction control on for the first 2 laps. So
Hey,
I'm kind of glad I had it.
There's nothing wrong going out there with traction control on for a little while while you're warming up the tires, especially.
Yeah.
I don't blame you.
I didn't mean to, but yeah. Well, we're gonna catch our temps and pressures, see how much they went up. So you said you now you have front grip with the RS4s?
Yes. So even on the first green flag lap, I could tell that I had more front grip. And so, unless I really start pushing it, maybe not as much slidey today, but that means it could finally feel some G-forces in turning, because otherwise it was just understeering. But that was fun. I had an almost open track most of the time. It was good times.
Same with me. I had a couple of times I had some people with me, but for the most part I laid back, let people go by, played around with a Miata for a lap. He was right behind me. All right. So last session didn't end that well.
No, more red flag practice, right?
Yeah. But this time a real red flag. I probably have. Yeah, I got a little bit of footage. S2000 went straight on. There's a Miata on the outside of turn 8, exit of turn 8. BMW E36 on the inside, not his.
Show him the S2000.
Yeah, you were a little bit ahead of me.
That clip was like, I guess S2000 past spec iron and both coming in hot.
Yeah, the spec iron waved around the S2000. As he came up next to him, he got on the gas. That spec iron has all the straightaway speed, all the torque, everything it needs. Some people don't understand what wave arounds are, I feel. Wow, that was a hell of a session. Was it not?
I said earlier, like, one of the most fun sessions I didn't get to have as much fun like playing around with somebody, but setting a new personnel best, having open air. I got to play around for a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, it was good.
It was good times. It was awesome. I haven't ran my best, but I feel like I'm starting to put it a lot more together in the lap.
Well,
I'm on some.
You weren't running. Yeah, you're using
old,
up the last of some 6-year-old Federals.
Yeah.
So you're not supposed to be running your best right now, but
I have a juicy.
Can we? Yeah. Can we cut to this real quick? Okay. Just
juicy.
Just check. welcome back. Where we're not spinning sideways.
I caught it. Okay, I've had a lot of practice with catching that car, putting it sideways this weekend.
Sway bar on kill.
Yeah.
And some heavy turn in, and it didn't seem like you were slowing down as much as normally going into 8.
No, I was trying. Well, I've been more trail braking. That's the other part, is trying to get the ass end to rotate. So, still got a lot to learn. Little private session with somebody kind of telling us.
Yeah, we got some instruction. Essentially, be better, be more aggressive a little bit. Trust the rotation. But
don't be afraid of rotation.
First HPDE weekend of 2024, NASA Southeast down here at CMP. Another treat, another fun weekend, another great group of people, a lot of learning. First full DE2 weekend for both of us. Yep. First full, NASA weekend solo. I think we proved we were in the spot, and we set some benchmarks to attack this year.
For sure.
We got unless we get some time attack passes freed up for good life, we'll at least be running DE.
Yeah.
And we got some times to come try to improve in a couple months.
Yep. We'll be back here for for Grid Life, and then Hyperfest a month after that.
VIR.
Which we got some DE for that as well. So
let's go.
It's gonna be fun. Next up, solo next weekend.
It's true. Time to do some autocross.
Yep. Catch you guys actually, like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, tell us what we did right, tell us what we did wrong.
Don't tell me what I did wrong. You don't want to waste your time. There's plenty, but this guy's a YouTuber now.
Wow. Catch you in the next one. So, on to more important things. The food at CMP.
Best trackside food I've had, so...
kudos to CMP. They supposedly overheard some people talking about
whatever the name of the restaurant is in town.
Yeah.
This is essentially a satellite. So they got like a short order cook or whatever.
Yeah. What did you get?
I think they call it the Monkey Wrench. It was like a grilled chicken sandwich with some delicious bacon.
I got the Philly cheesesteak. It was not cheap, but very, to me, worth the money.
For $11 or $14 for trackside stuff.
With fries.
Yeah.
I mean, so, yeah. So right now,
just point out that, like, this is thank you. Just watching the race out the world's largest windshield.
Yeah, it's good times.
Feet wrapped up, relaxed in the warm.
Yeah, it's
RV.
warm. It's nice and warm because it's probably in the 40s outside right now.
Yeah.
This morning it was 30.
Yep. When we got off track after our first session, it was 36 degrees.
Yeah.